Compositing is a technique where you are layering video, and we're going to composite shots of the same person and make them look like they are in the same location, but there's more than one of them at a time. I'm going to use this video called compositing, which is on the media drive. And if you go connect to the server and go to media, and you can download that file. It's called compositing.mov. I'm going to put an in and an out. Ooh, I'm going to do it after that person comes up the stairs, an in. And here my subject comes into the frame and is standing there looking. And when I'm going to go back a little bit and just have him looking, and I'm going to put an out, and I'm going to drag that into the timeline. And then if I move further up in my video, I have the same person standing. I'm going to put an in and an out around that. And I'm going to drag and I'm going to drop that over the other video. Here we have my subject standing on the right side of the bridge, and then you'll see my subject standing on the left side. So I want to make him look like he's in both places at the same time. So I'm going to click on that first clip in track 2, and I'm going to go to effects, and I'm going to type in crop, and I'm going to drag and drop that on that clip. And here I want to crop the right side, and if you notice as I start to crop, and I'm going to be careful because if you notice, you see some shadow. And I'm going to actually pump that up a little bit more and make that move over about to there. And what I might want to do to make it look more even is you can do a little edge feather, and I think I'm going to edge feather that just a tad, maybe even just a little bit more. You can see the edge feathering right there makes it smoother. Now you notice that I have my subject to the right side of the frame, and then he pops up into the left. So you could have those characters interact or do anything that you want. What I'm going to do here too, though, is I'm also going to have my subject fade up, so it's a little ghostly. And then he fades up. And I could add as many of the same subject in this frame by just continuing and adding a clip to video track 3, video track 4. What matters the most when you want to create this kind of style is how you shoot the video. You want to make sure that your lighting stays the same, that the camera remains on the tripod so it's always in the same place. And you want to make sure that you don't have other distracting things happen. So that's compositing.